I know. Alright. So we got more fireworks right here. We got the Bigfoot. We got some Roman candles. We actually got artillery bombs now. Artillery shells. Got a little one for my little sister. So you can see, we got these one. Oh yeah. Got some more. Everything that they bought was actually buy one, give one free. So this was an amazing deal. I'm really super curious to see what this does. Like Bigfoot has all the pimples on the back. Oh yeah. It's gonna go off tomorrow, man. It's gonna be legit. Alright, anyways, guys, please like the video, please subscribe, leave comments below, and I will see y'all tomorrow.